Welcome back to The Explainer. Today, we're unpacking something absolutely crucial. If you've been watching the explosion of autonomous AI agents and wondering how they went from just generating text to actually interacting with the world, well, it all traces back here. A single 2022 paper quietly became the blueprint that almost all modern agent frameworks have built on since, directly or indirectly. Section 1. The Modern Agent Blueprint. Let's dive right into this foundational text. We're talking about a paper called ReAct, Synergizing Reasoning and Acting in Language Models by Yao and colleagues. This paper proposed a structural shift that fundamentally turned language models from passive text generators into active problem solvers. You see, models were getting better at reasoning, and they were getting better at acting, but researchers were studying them completely separately. ReAct basically asked, hey, what if we combine them? Now, if you recall the perceive, reason, act loop we covered in our previous explainer, this is going to sound super familiar. But what ReAct did was take that existing theoretical loop and make it explicit. They interleaved the reasoning and acting steps entirely in text format, and that one structural change measurably improved model reliability across the board. Section 2. Thinking versus doing. To really understand why ReAct was such a massive breakthrough, we have to look at the exact problem it was responding to. Before ReAct, AI approaches generally fell into two pretty flawed camps. On the left side, you had pure reasoning. Think of things like chain of thought prompting. These models could think step by step in text, sure, but they were essentially a brain in a jar. They couldn't verify anything in the real world, so they hallucinate facts constantly. Then, on the right side, you had pure acting. These approaches could call tools or click around websites, but they had absolutely no traceable logic. They were just blind tool users, and if they failed, it was a nightmare to debug because you had no idea why they took a specific action.
Section 3. The ReAct Cycle. This is where it gets incredibly elegant. ReAct solved this tension by enforcing a continuous feedback loop between the model's internal thoughts and the external world. Look at this architecture. Reasoning updates the model's internal beliefs and plans, while acting lets it interface with the environment to pull in actual real-world observations. The reasoning guides the acting, and the acting supports the reasoning.
So here is the secret sauce in full detail: the thought, action, observation cycle. First, you have a thought. The model explicitly states its current belief and what it intends to do next. Second, an action. It executes a tool call based exactly on that thought. And third, observation. The real-world result gets appended right back into the text stream. And then, a new thought begins. It just continuously loops until the task is solved. Okay, let's ground this with a concrete, multi-step example directly from the paper. The authors tested this using Hotpot QA, which basically asks complex questions that require searching a Wikipedia API to piece together an answer. Here's exactly how that loop plays out. The model verbalizes a thought. Thought, I need to search the capital of Italy. It's showing its work. Then, based on that, it takes the action, calling the search tool for capital of Italy. The environment then feeds back the observation. Rome is the capital of Italy. Grounded by that actual real-world observation, it doesn't have to guess or rely on outdated training data. It formulates a new thought. Now I can answer the question. And finally, it executes the finish action. Rome. No hallucinating, no guessing, just traceable logic and verified facts. Section 4. Evaluating the framework. The theory is great, but what did the paper actually find when they ran the numbers? Well, the authors rigorously tested ReAct across 4 very different environments. They used Hotpot QA and Fever to test knowledge and fact verification. And then, for interactive decision-making, they used ALF World, a text-based household simulation, and WebShop, which simulates navigating an e-commerce site. The findings were, honestly, super impressive. For the knowledge tasks, ReAct totally overcame the hallucination and error issues we saw in pure reasoning, mostly by constantly grounding itself with external facts. It generated these human-like, easily interpretable trajectories. And across the board, it completely outperformed those vanilla, acting-only baselines. But the decision-making benchmarks are where it really blew the doors off. Get this. In ALF World, where the agent navigates a simulated house, ReAct achieved an absolute success rate improvement of 34%. And what's wild is it achieved that over imitation learning methods trained on 100,000 expert trajectories, whereas ReAct was basically just prompted with 1 or 2 examples. Absolutely crazy. And we see the same thing in the WebShop environment. It delivered a solid 10% absolute improvement compared to the baselines. It definitively proved that explicitly combining thinking and doing was just vastly superior.
Section 5. Why visible reasoning matters. Let's spend some real time on this, because beyond the raw metrics, this framework fundamentally changed the game for developers in the real world. Think about a black box failure with a pure acting model. You just get a wrong final answer or a failed task, and it's totally untraceable. You have no idea why it did what it did. But with a ReAct-style failure, it's completely transparent. You can read the logs and pinpoint the exact bad thought that led to the exact wrong action. It is 100% traceable.
Because the entire thought process is written out in text, humans can easily inspect the logic and check the facts. And the paper highlighted how this enables human-in-the-loop behavior correction. If an agent gets stuck, a developer can literally just jump in, edit a simple flawed thought, like fixing a bad assumption on the fly, and instantly correct the agent's path moving forward. Ultimately, this transparency is what turns cool academic performance into massive practical utility. You aren't just blindly trusting a black box. You can audit every single step of its logic. Yao and his team gave language models the ability to interact with the world safely and predictably.
Section 6. The modern gateway.
ReAct proved once and for all that explicitly interleaving reasoning and acting is the gateway to reliable AI. But that leaves one massive piece of the puzzle left to solve. We've covered how an agent thinks and acts, next, how it remembers anything at all. We'll dive into that in the next explainer, so I'll see you then.